Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I am working today from home, and so I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I get up to today. Same old, same old. With me. I just have to share that, and the other one is outside sleeping. My goodness. Zoila, say hello. Hey, say hello. Say hello. Yeah, it's lunchtime. Yeah. It's crunch time, so I'm going to have lunch. Let's see what I can find in the kitchen. So I was able to whip up something. It's broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, chicken, and green beans. It's all green. Talk about going green in real life. It's a good day to go walking, but today is exceptional. Every day is exceptional because the weather is amazing. Órale, señor. Bien, ¿y usted? Paseando con este. Qué bueno. Sí, adiós. Ay. Ya. Sí. Adiós.
Just checking his WhatsApp messages. Oi. Come, let's go, let's go, let's go.
The weather is amazing. Oh, feels good. Inside the flat is a bit chilly. Heading back. Took a siesta. I took a call, got good news, and I took Candy out for a walk. And that was pretty much my day. Easy, cheerful, joyful day. And with that, I'm gonna end here by saying stay positive, thinking possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.